Oh my God, please help me knee deep in the river trying to get clean. He says wash your hands, get out the stains, but you best believe, boy, there's hell to pay. Yeah, you best believe, boy, there's hell to pay. Saying, come on. Oh my God, please help me waist deep in the river, can you hear my plea? He says, son, you come like a beggar in the street. You might make it, boy, but by the skin of your teeth. You might make it, boy, but by the skin of your teeth. Saying, I rebel with the worst of them.
You got it. Okay, I'm panning out.
We had one of our customers send this rifle back and say it couldn't hit. We just demonstrated with a bore sight that we hit at 350 yards. So what we're going to do is put this back together and see if we can do it again. So here we go. We're just here to tell you that the Nemesis Arms Vanquish will hit anything and everywhere that you aim and shoot at if you do it correctly. The rifle can come apart, go back together as many times as you want, and it will return to zero every time. We just gave you an example at 350 yards, open field, nothing else out here but us. Show you what our rifle's capable of doing every day of the week, every time you pull the trigger. This is David Ives and David Liskey from Nemesis Arms. Thanks for your time.
Got it.
David Ives here with Nemesis Arms. David Liskey behind the camera. We're going to demonstrate the Nemesis Arms Vanquish 308 at 528 yards. We're shooting at 8th scale silhouette knockdown. So we'll see if repeatability and accuracy.